advanced product right now for the exteriors. It is the only one which gives you all of the three features that we saw there, which is the...
This was the celebration of 15 years in the morning till 2 o'clock in the afternoon, which technically means my show is on now.
Launching a product, it's not a launch actually, the product is already in the market. We are launching a TV campaign, a 360-degree advertisement campaign for this product, Weatherbond Pro. Weatherbond Pro is an exterior emulsion with 15 years of life, which has 15 years weather protection, dirt protection and color protection. And also it has 10 years of waterproofing guarantee. It's been offered with that, and that's the uniqueness of this product. And this product is very unique, and we are the first company to launch a product with 15 years of life. Yeah. Exterior, outdoor. It's outdoor. Yeah.
How many colors?
We have.
ನಿಪಾನ್ ಪೇಂಟ್ ಮಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಇವತ್ತಿಗೆ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ 15 ವರ್ಷ ಇಂಡಿಯಾಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದು ಭಾರತಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದು 15 ವರ್ಷ ಕೂಡ ಆಯಿತು. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ದಿವಸವೇ ನಾವು 15 ವರ್ಷ ಬಾಳಿಕೆ ಬರುವಂಥ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಲಾಂಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ. ಇದೊಂದು ಉತ್ತಮವಾದಂಥ ಉತ್ಪನ್ನ. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಕಸ್ಟಮರಿಗಾಗಿ ಡಬಲ್ ಎ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ, ಹೈ ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ಡ್, ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲಿ ಅಡ್ವಾನ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. 15 ವರ್ಷ ಬಾಳಿಕೆ ಬರುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಜನತೆಗೆ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ದಿವಸ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ.
ಏನೇನು ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜ್ ಇದೆ
ಪ್ಲಸ್ 10 ವರ್ಷ ವಾಟರ್ ಪ್ರೂಫಿಂಗ್ ಬಾಳಿಕೆ ಬರುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಇದು. ನಾವು ಹೋಮ್ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಚೆನ್ನೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರಿ ಇರೋದು, ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಟ್ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಇರೋದು. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಬಂದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದನೇ ಶುರು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎರಡನೇದಾಗಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಚೆನ್ನೈಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಹತ್ತಿರ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಲಾಂಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇದು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂಥ ನಿಪಾನ್ ಪೇಂಟ್ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ದಿವಸ ಎಲ್ಲ ಖಂಡಗಳಲ್ಲೂ, ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಕಾಂಟಿನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ, ಆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಖಂಡಗಳಲ್ಲೂ ಇರುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಉತ್ಪನ್ನ. ಏಷ್ಯಾದಲ್ಲೇ ನಂಬರ್ 1 ಇದು.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
There is Nagaraj, Sandeep, come now Sandeep. There is Umesh. Jay. Joy, can you take care?
Together, making Nippon Paint Asia's #1 developer colleagues in manufacturing.
విజయానా టీకా చాక్లెట్ తీసుకో
Page, the Radisson Kannada page, as well as Nippon Paint India page. So while we give them some time to log into.
And while many companies are switching to processes that reduce their impact on the environment, it gives us pride to say that Nippon Paint has been way ahead of the curve in this regard. In fact, we are the only company with both Green Co and Green Pro certification.
The first process or the first certification what IGBC promoted was Green Co, which was basically making the manufacturing process completely green. So we were the first paint company to latch on to that and get our manufacturing process green. That's what we call it as Green Co. And now today we are a gold certified Green Co company, wherein the complete manufacturing process is green. Immediately IGBC promoted Green Pro concept, which is basically to certify the building products to be as green. Any product of Nippon you buy, it's a green product. I invite all of you to this wonderful factory.
So how do we do this? To find out, let's take a look at where all the magic happens. The Nippon Paint state-of-the-art facility in Sriperumbudur manufactures high-quality products every single day. But the focus is also on using cutting-edge
Can we,
processes.
I think we've given enough time for our Facebook viewers to join in. Then we can come off the video now. Yes. Yes.
The factory employs a number of techniques in this regard.
Fozia as well.
Thank you so much, Sharon. So like you all know that we are celebrating 15 years of Nippon Paint and our fruitful association with Nippon Paint and 93.5 Red FM.
Paints India Private Limited. Give a big round of applause.
Indeed, our pleasure, sir.
The manufacturing process is completely green.
and the products which come out of that factory is also green, which is a very
Do you foresee a similar thing happening with Royal Challengers Bangalore? That's my question.
Very much so. It's been a trend with us.
We can't say that, we also are part of CSK.
Oh, it's a win-win situation. One of the two.
The
Yeah.
match finale between CSK and RCB.
So if there is a finale, which team are you supporting, sir?
That's a very difficult question, Shan. You're putting them in trouble now.
It would be a tie, then we'll see. A super over will come.
Yeah.
Southern markets predominantly. Tamil Nadu has been one of our focus markets for the last 4 years, and I think we have done phenomenally well. Karnataka has now become another cynosure for us. We are looking at Karnataka as one of the growth drivers for us in South. And in that regard, we are bolstering our resources in the state of Karnataka, whether it's manpower, infrastructure. We are working towards developing the ground forces, and definitely we are going to be a name to reckon with in the near future.
We hope really.
To deliver the numbers. So that's what I want to say.
Yes.
Short and sweet.
Short and sweet. That's beautiful, Mr. 7, 6, 5,
4, 3, 2, 1. And a lot of applause, guys.
ಅರೆ ನೀವೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೊಸಬ್ರು. ಈ ಮನೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಹಳೆಯದು.
ಹೌದು, ಪೇಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿ 15 ವರ್ಷ ಆಯ್ತು.
15 ವರ್ಷ. ಇದು ಯಾವ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ? ಇದು ವೆದರ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಪ್ರೋ ಡಬಲ್ ಲೇಯರ್ ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ. ನಿಪಾನ್ ಪೇಂಟ್ ವೆದರ್ ಬಾಂಡ್ ಪ್ರೋ 15 ವರ್ಷ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯನ್ನು ಸುರಕ್ಷಿತವಾಗಿ ಹೊಸದಂತೆ ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಇರಿಸುತ್ತದೆ.